Hello traders, in this video we'll be doing a weekly analysis on the pair gold in multiple time frames for the upcoming week. Now by the end of this week's market close on Friday, we can see that gold on a weekly time frame continued to push down on this week with further bearish momentum to make a retest on this major support zone, just like we anticipated on our previous week. As we saw how gold closed these weeks with this bearish candle, we anticipated gold would continue to push down to make a retest on this support zone and then probably face price ejection, and that's exactly what happened. Gold, after making a retest on this major support zone, faced this huge price ejection and closed this week with this bullish candle over here. Now if you look closely, then you can see how gold, after starting this bearish momentum, like bearish move all the way from here, gold made some small pullback over here and then continued to push down with further bearish momentum by breaking below this support zone over here. And that's exactly what gold did around here as well. It came down, made some small pullback, did not make some deeper pullback, made some small pullback and continued to push down with further bearish momentum over here. So if that's the case now, and seeing how gold did not make any small pullback over here in this bearish engulfing run, so if gold does go for some small pullback, then it might happen to make a retest on this key zone or all the way up to make a retest on this key level as part of its small pullback, and then gold might continue to push down, or gold might make a breakout of that key level with further bearish bullish momentum to continue pushing up as part of its deeper pullback, or all the way up to make a retest on any of these key zone over here or all the way over here. Now if you go to this daily time frame, then you can obviously see a pretty beautiful downtrend line over here, which gold has been respecting while moving in this bearish engulfing move. And also you can see the key zone that we talked about in the weekly time frame over here as well. Now gold, if makes a retest on this key zone or this key level as part of its pullback, then it might also make a retest on this downtrend line as well and then continue to push down. However, if it makes a breakout of this high, like this key level, even with further bullish momentum, then it might be making a breakout of this downtrend line, which might lead gold to continue pushing up. And if gold makes a breakout of this key zone with further bearish momentum, then it might continue pushing down on a higher time frame point of view, since this is a pretty major support zone. And if it finds strong support around at this key zone and continue to push up, then it needs to make a breakout of this key level, like this high, and also this downtrend line to continue pushing up to come all the way to test this key zone or any of the key zones over here by creating a new uptrend line by making higher lows over here. Now if you go to this 4-hour time frame, then you can see similarly the same key zones and trend lines and stuffs, and we're gonna expect these two key zone as gold's support and resistance zone, in which gold is currently ranging. So this is gold's ranging zone over here, and we're gonna look for trades if gold makes a breakout of this key zone with further bullish momentum or this key zone with further bearish momentum. Now that's being said, if gold makes a break and close above this key zone with further bullish momentum, like if you saw signs of gold making a breakout, then you can go to shorter time frame like 30 minutes time frame and look for certain structure to be formed over here after gold shows signs of making a breakout of this key zone over here, and then look for trades on the breakout of that structure with further bullish momentum on gold, in hopes of gold coming up all the way to retest this high over here. And in that move, gold might also make a retest on this downtrend line as well, and after that gold might face strong price ejection, since it would be retesting a pretty major downtrend line over here and also a pretty major key level or high over here. However, if gold, instead of facing price ejection, instead of finding resistance over here at this high, gold if makes a breakout of this high with further bullish momentum, then it would be making a breakout of this downtrend line over here with further bullish momentum, and that might lead a breakout of this downtrend line might lead gold to continue pushing up all the way to make a retest on this key zone over here, which is the next key zone where gold might head to. And in that case, gold might be creating new higher high, possibly creating a new uptrend line, something looking like this, to continue coming up all the way to make a retest on this key zone over here if it makes a breakout of this downtrend line over here, and that would mean gold found strong support around at this key zone over here. However, if gold does find strong resistance over here at this key zone or this key zone like this high and continue to push down by creating new lower highs, then gold might be respecting this downtrend line and might come all the way down to retest any of the key level over here that it might form on the upcoming week, or all the way to make a retest on this key zone over here. Now, to look for trades on such scenario, you should wait for gold to make a retest on this downtrend line over here. After it makes a retest on this downtrend line, wait for gold to make a new proper low on a 4-hour time frame, and then wait for a breakout of that low from gold with further bearish momentum or below a support zone that it might be forming over here. So if you see gold making a break and close below that support zone with further bearish momentum, then you can have some sort of confirmation that gold is respecting this downtrend line, and gold just made a retest over here and then formed a new support zone over here and then made a breakout of that support zone with further bearish momentum, which might lead gold to continue pushing down to any of the key level that it might be forming over here, or all the way to make a retest on that key zone over here. So that is one way you can look for trades on gold on the short side if it makes a retest on this downtrend line. Or you can wait for a break and close below this key zone and then look for trades in hopes of gold continuing with further bearish momentum to create a new lower low over here on a higher time frame point of view. So anyways, that's my analysis on gold in multiple time frames for the upcoming week. And if this video helped you guys, then please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below and also give this video a thumbs up.